Take a look at this influencer, or this one. They are both fake. They're artificially created. Surprisingly, they look incredibly real. The line between real and fake is getting blurry, making it hard for people to tell what's genuine and what's not. Artificial intelligence is stepping up its game and creating virtual personalities that chat, post, and influence just like humans. Influencer marketing, a go-to for brands, is taking a twist. The influencers of tomorrow might not be human. So in this video, we're exploring the AI influencer industry, focusing on top influencers, their impressive earnings, and even how you can easily create one. AI influencer marketing is booming and was worth $2.4 billion in 2021. It's expected to reach $3.9 billion by 2026, growing at a rate of 10% as more influencers and brands are turning to AI tools. A report from Rakuten Advertising shows that 62% of marketers plan to use AI-powered influencer marketing tools next year. The influencer game is getting a major makeover. Thanks to trailblazing startups like 1337, we're stepping into a world where our beloved influencers might just be lines of fancy code. The AI-powered influencers trend is causing a stir. These digital personalities, fueled by super smart algorithms and artificial intelligence, are shaking up how brands connect with their audiences. One standout player, 1337 Leet, is right at the forefront of this revolution, even getting users involved in crafting these virtual influencers. Virtual influencers are digital characters or avatars found on social media. What sets them apart, unlike traditional influencers, is that they are not restricted by human constraints. They can share content around the clock, adapt to any brand style, and sidestep the unpredictability of human emotions or scandals. Big brands like Calvin Klein, Prada, and even KFC have dipped their toes into collaborations with virtual influencers. These AI-created personalities that aren't real humans hold a powerful influence over their audience. Surprisingly, some have gathered huge followings, raking in thousands of dollars monthly. A typical example of an AI influencer is Aitana Lopez. She doesn't fuss, doesn't catch a cold, and clocks in 24/7. No wonder AI influencers are making big bucks. With her tousled pink hair, captivating feline eyes, and a standout décolletage, 25-year-old Aitana is the kind of model that can sell just about anything. She's entirely artificial, with no human quirks. Her Instagram, boasting nearly 200,000 followers, showcases her donning outfits from big brands like Victoria's Secret, Brandy Melville, and Guess. For her modeling gigs, she reportedly makes up to $10,000 a month. The Clueless, a Spanish company, created Aitana Lopez to tackle the problems of working with human models. After analyzing their workflow, they noticed many projects were getting delayed or scrapped, often due to issues caused by the influencer or model rather than design problems. The idea is simple. Why deal with the ups and downs of real life when you can depend on a flawless image? They did this to improve their livelihoods and break free from relying on people with egos, quirks, or just chasing money through modeling. Crafting your virtual AI influencer isn't as tough as it sounds. You can put together your team of AI influencers without spending a dime using open-source image generation tools like Stable Diffusion XL, Midjourney, and checkpoints like Juggernaut. These tools can create super realistic images. Initially, about 10 years ago, the first generative adversarial networks struggled with tiny, barely recognizable images. But now anyone can generate high-resolution, lifelike images that look convincing enough to fool the eye. The world of AI image creation has come a long way, making it easy for anyone to jump into creating top-notch virtual influencers. Aitana is just one among the thousands of AI influencers and models making it big. Another standout is Lil Miquela, a pioneer in the virtual influencer scene. Lil Miquela Souza, the 11th virtual influencer to hit social media, was the first to skyrocket to online fame, representing a 19-year-old global pop star and landing a spot on Time magazine's 25 most influential people on the internet. Lil Miquela is not your average influencer. With a blend of musician vibes, a change-seeker attitude, and a visionary style, she's a creation of Brood, a platform reshaping media influencers to tell stories in a whole new way. Speaking of reach, Lil Miquela dominates the scene with 2.7 million followers and a price tag of around $8,000 per post for sponsorships. Despite being entirely virtual, Lil Miquela's human-like appearance shines through. She hangs out with friends, posts travel snapshots, and flaunts her favorite meals, creating an illusion of a remarkably real-life experience. Another AI influencer is Emma. She stands out as Japan's first AI influencer, leading the pack with professionalism and consistency in the AI influencer scene. Her super real posts as a model influencer exude perfection and quality, making them incredibly human-like to the eyes. She was created by All Inc. With a curious fashion influencer personality, Emma collaborates with various businesses for sponsored posts, and one of her collaborations was with Lenovo, presenting their new yoga laptop. Since February 2018, she has built an impressive audience of 400,000 followers through 744 total posts. Charging around $2,000 per sponsored post, Emma holds a 3.5% engagement rate, making her a noteworthy player in the AI influencer industry. Also, we have Shudu. She is a stunning digital supermodel from South Africa with beautiful dark skin. Created by a British fashion photographer named Cameron James Wilson, she made her debut in 2017. She's collaborated with big brands like BMW, Louis Vuitton, and Hyundai. On Instagram, she has about 241,000 followers, engaging with them at a rate of 2.16%. For sponsored posts, she charges around $1,190. AI influencers have some awesome advantages. They are highly effective at generating income and quality leads for brands. Choosing virtual influencers over real ones gives brands more control and freedom with content. This opens the door to endless creative opportunities. For instance, in 2020, Miquela had a human boyfriend. They broke up, and she released a breakup single called Speak Up with more than 7 million YouTube views. They decided to try again, got back together, and surprise, Miquela released another single, Masterpiece. Just like real influencers, she actively seeks publicity and uses her life events to promote herself, similar to how an influencer promotes a brand. Virtual influencers are reliable for brands. No worries about content quality, timing, or unexpected social media blunders. They can be activated whenever and however the brand wants. With virtual influencers, scheduling is a breeze because travel plans and availability are never a problem. They're available 24/7, 365 days a year, with no human attitude or pushback, as they don't have egos or social lives. They have a special knack for reaching younger Gen Zennials and the Gen Z demographic, as they are more at home in the digital world. Plus, virtual influencers can boast up to 3 times higher engagement rates than their real-life counterparts. Also, they're not bothered by personal stuff, making their content consistent and reliable. They fit right in, especially with younger people who love all things digital. And AI influencers often get more attention than regular influencers, making ads more interesting and effective. Are they here to stay? It might sound a bit eerie, but the truth is that these AI influencers are here to stick around and grow. Watch for them in your favorite car commercials and brand campaigns. The distinction between real and AI is getting fuzzy, and it's interesting to see how much impact these virtual personalities can have on people's lives. The best thing about AI influencer marketing is how easily it scales. AI is changing how brands think about influencer marketing. The real perk of AI influencer marketing is its speedy and accurate approach, taking campaigns to the next level. By combining a human touch with brands and smart algorithms that learn from the past and predict the future, marketers can win the advertising game quickly and make a profit. Computer-generated influencers, or CGI, create a distinctive marketing opportunity for brands. As these CGI influencers become more popular, more brands will likely collaborate with them. The future is here, and it's bringing something exciting: the AI influencer. Imagine a digital friend, not a real person, but someone who talks, shares, and influences just like humans do, and knows how to say the right things always, as AI chatbots do. These AI influencers are the next big thing, and they're changing the game. Around 200 computer-generated influencers are living their made-up lives online, a significant jump from just 9 in 2015. Experts predict you'll come across more of these virtual influencers on your social media, as easy-to-use software becomes widespread and advancements in AI become more crucial in various industries. Which of these AI influencers caught your attention the most? Drop a comment below, and check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching.